In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add open interest indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get open interest showing directly on your charts so you can make more informed trading decisions. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you're interested in, like crypto, futures, or stocks. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located along the top toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is your main hub for adding all kinds of tools and studies to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a few different sections. Here, you want to navigate to the area labeled Technicals. Clicking on Technicals helps filter the available indicators down to tools designed for technical analysis, which is exactly where the open interest indicators are going to be found. Take a second to make sure you're in that section before you move on. With the Technicals tab open, look for the search bar near the top of this window. Click into that search bar and type Open Interest. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the list and show you any indicators related to open interest. Open interest measures how many open contracts exist in a futures or options market, and it's really helpful for understanding whether money is flowing in or out of a particular instrument. Once you see the open interest indicator you want to use, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually as a separate panel below the price candles. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you clicked on it and that your chart is using a market that actually supports open interest data. Some spot pairs, for example, may not display this type of information. From here, you can customize how the open interest indicator looks. You can adjust colors, line thickness, and style by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and opening its settings. Tailor it so it's easy for you to read at a glance and doesn't blend into the background. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to the full set of tools and indicators, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you'll be ready to follow along with all my future tutorials and get the most out of your charts.